How to smoke pulled pork part 2, smoker setup and smoking. So after about 24 hours in the refrigerator, now it's time to put it in the smoker. So let me give you a rundown of my setup here. I do have my smoker set at 250 degrees internal temperature of the smoker. The way I regulate that is by using the Thermoworks system. This is your Thermoworks signals temperature probe, and we also have the Thermoworks Billows over there. So essentially these two things have made my smoking life a lot easier, especially when I'm smoking things like briskets and Boston butts. They take forever. They take 12, 14, 18 up to 20 hours to smoke. What this does is this regulates the temperature inside my smoker so that it stays at the temperature I set it. If you guys are interested in something like that, please check the links on the bottom. I am an affiliate with Thermoworks, and by clicking on those links, you guys will help out my channel as well. So we're going to be smoking this brisket at 250 degrees until we hit the internal temperature of 195 degrees Fahrenheit. What I did is I set my pulled pork as far away from the heat as possible, and I did insert a meat probe in there. But for now, it's a waiting game. You're going to be here roughly, depending on the size of your pulled pork. This one was about a 10 or 12 pounder. You're gonna look close to about an hour-ish per pound, maybe a little bit less. Thank you for watching. I will have part 3 to this series where I am going to rest it and then shred it up for you guys. So stay tuned for that, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.